there's this easement that comes in, and the reason why is because at one point this was owned by one person, and then he sold off this commercial building, he sold off this car wash, and then he sold off the storage facility. And he probably thought he could get more money by selling it piece by piece. But truth be told, most of the time you can get more money when you sell the whole thing, but it is what it is. Okay, anyways, so this is the property right here. It's 116 units. It's 116 units. And this is it. Now it is in Augusta, Georgia, which is a town of 200,000 people. So it's not a major metropolitan, right? It's a nice big city. Think about when you want to and where you want to invest, where are some good cities, right? Small to medium-sized cities in your area or in your state or wherever you're interested in investing in, then that you can invest in, that you can look at to find, properties. And Augusta is one of those cities that is also a very good area. Now it's kind of like, it's just one of those cities in the state where it's like, it's never gotten huge or anything like that, So, and then what you can do when you look on Google Maps, this is exactly what I did, and I'll show you, is you can go to like nearby and then just put storage, okay? And that'll show you like some of the competitors. So look in this whole area right here, right in this whole area. I mean, there's really not a lot of storage facilities in this whole area. So there's one over here. It's 11 minutes away, right? Here, this one's 4 minutes away. Right, this one's 4 minutes away, this one's 5 minutes away, and those I put down as competitors. And I think this one right here is 6 minutes. So I put these all down as competitors, right? And I think I put this one down, I can't remember, but you can come in and you can just do storage nearby and see who the competitors are. Now this is like A&A Storage, right? Of course, like typical name, everybody has A&A Storage, right? A&A Storage is here, and then Public Storage is right here, and this one is Self-Care Storage. I can look at this. Self-Care Storage is kind of like a nice big, facility just like this, but it's all outdoor, so it's a good comp. And but Public Storage is here as well too, and this is kind of a nice big facility, but a little bit bigger. And because it's good to look, like when you start getting stuff under contract, it's good to look at the competition. And this is the Self-Care, and this one's Economy Self-Care, which looks actually kind of run down, and I'm not 100%. I don't even think this emove.com is the right website. So I'm not sure if this is like an abandoned facility or what. I was looking at it, I was like, oh yeah, here's the phone number right here. Let's see, I don't think you can zoom in, can you? Oh yeah, you can. Okay, yeah, here it is, Economy Self-Storage, right? So you can give them a call, but it's kind of an older one. It's got like brick walls and stuff, but somebody may buy this. If you need to wholesale a property, you want a property, this is exactly the type of facility that'd be a good one to hold on and maybe fix up and stuff like that. All right. So that's that. So see, once you start looking at your competition, you might find something else. The rule for us too is like, once we get one under contract, once we close on one, the rule is that we need to find 3 or 4 more storage facilities within like a 30-minute to 45-minute radius of that facility, so that we can create mini portfolios, right? That's kind of what we do. But anyway, excuse me, just getting on Google Maps and really playing with it and looking at all the facilities, even if these are the only ones that you can find, the public storage ones, it's good to just look and see what's out there. Now the truth is I'm thinking that in this area here where there's like a lot of storage facilities kind of around the perimeter, right? There's a lot of them kind of around the perimeter. But are there any storage facilities that are all up in here? I mean, A&A Storage is right there, and it's hiding in the back of a commercial building, right? And so that's what it looks like right there. So is there any other ones there? And those are called the hidden market. Those facilities that are not on Google Maps are what I call the hidden market. And targeting those is really an important part of the process as well too. So anyway, so I just wanted to show you on Google Maps where it's at, what it's located, where it's located, and then you could just zoom out. You can go into just the regular, Google Maps, and then you can look to see like where everything is, in terms of, where your facility is. I really like to spend a lot of time on Google Maps just playing around and trying to get to know the areas before I go out there and try to look and check it out.